So this is the charger, this is the actual unit. You press this button and it starts suctioning from the front end. This is the speed level. This indicates the different battery level, low, medium, high. And with this button you can open this small compartment section. The compartment for the dirt is not too much, but given that this is the handheld vacuum, if they would make it bigger it would be much harder to operate. It comes with this one unit that basically to detach all your hair. This is the extra HEPA filter, there's one in here. This is the unit that will be helpful for the bed or something. uh, this one is the extendable main portion, so you press this button and you start to slide this item and it extends. That one is the small brush unit. This is for the small crevices, and this one is the main unit. That this portion goes at the end of this, and basically this one has this kind of roller that will roll and collect all the hair and debris from the floor. It has a wheels, so you can have that rolling over your hard floor or tiles or whatever. I don't think this is quite a good enough for the carpet, but that's how it is. um, I will try it out and will let you know how it works.